So a very good day to our Dr. Rama binti Mahmudin and to our fellow friends. So today we have chosen the title for our case study is Comparative Study of Lean Manufacturing Tools, which is used in automotive industry in Malaysia. So well, from my group, I'm Sivananda Analaki Subramaniam, and my matrix number is CN 2048. And we have four people in our group, followed by Muhammad Nasran bin Nasaruddin, Madhivanan Analaki Sukumaran, Muhammad Shuko bin Muhammad Yusof. So I'll be presenting the introduction part. So actually, for lean manufacturing is a unique method of production that actually aims in improving efficiency within the entire manufacturing process by reducing the time spent between suppliers and clients. Researchers argued that lean manufacturing was first introduced in Japan in the middle years of 20th century, after which it was fully incorporated in the manufacturing process of Toyota vehicles and other related products. The technology later spread across Asia and finally was introduced in Malaysia in the early 2006 as the country's transformative initiative was to improve the locomotive industry to efficiency and minimize wastage caused by some traditional manufacturing process. So the purpose of this case study is to discuss comprehensively the concept of lean manufacturing in the automotive industry, especially in Malaysia. So what is the objective in our case study is to examine the aspect of lean manufacturing and its contribution in vehicle production in Malaysia, and to discuss the effectiveness of some of the lean tools used in vehicle manufacturing industry in Malaysia. So well, as we can see, we do have some problem statements. So lean manufacturing tools has been under continuous pressure to reduce operating costs and improve product delivery speed in Malaysia's automotive industry. Furthermore, total productive maintenance that we call as TPM and total quality management that we call as TQM have to initiative their production to improve operation capabilities. Furthermore, in manufacturing industry, it was noted that 80% of companies investigated have implemented TPM practices, but it was expected due to manufacturing industry relying on machines and other equipment that need constant maintenance in order to run effectively and efficiently. Besides that, TQM is also been the most commonly used tool when considering both manufacturing firms and service sector. This can be explained by the high levels of quality that both sectors strive for, especially industry in Malaysia. The main reason for the lean manufacturing tool is insufficient management time to support lean. This can bring to bad quality of the tools. Last but not least, when operation adopt lean manufacturing, several common and avoidable problems always appear. When they find success uses that to inspire is the rest of their staff. Be upfront with the leadership involved and get them to see possibilities if they stick through the rough patches.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nasran bin Nasharuddin and my metric number is CN201 47. So now I will continue with the literature review. As you can see on the screen, this is the history about the lean manufacturing tools. So for decades, lean manufacturing has played various roles in streamlining the automotive industry across Malaysia and the entire Southeast region. For instance, many manufacturers globally tend to acquire lean manufacturing skills to help them develop a more sustainable working environment that will assist in complete elimination of wastage and adding more value to the clients. In this regard, in order to achieve sustainability in the process of waste management, producers must be capable of identifying all the components that do not add any value to the organizations and also to the environment. Such wastes could be in the form of underutilized time, money, skill set, excess inventory, and also technologies. In lean manufacturing tools, there are more than 50 these things, but this chapter will discuss a few of them. So the first one is 7 wasters. The 7 wasters, known as muda, are the various forms of inefficiency that the lean production system seek to eliminate. Waste is something that contributes no value. Per definition, you may increase the productivity and return on investment of your manufacturing plan by eliminating these types of inefficiencies. So for the second one is total productive maintenance, or TPM. TPM is a technique for increasing equipment reliability and lowering operating costs by utilizing machinery, tools, and operator expertise. It is a comprehensive method of maintenance that builds on proactive, anticipatory, and self-reliant maintenance. For the last one is continuous flow, single piece flow. So this is the ideal process involves the in uninterrupted movement of a single product from one operation to the next. Factory will be able to spot any fault with the process right away and eliminate the need to keep a lot of work in progress stock by utilizing continuous flow. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, a very good morning to everyone and to our doctor. My name is Madhivanan Sukumaran and my metric number is CN200084. Today, I like to talk about the chapter 3, which is discussion about the comparative studies of lean manufacturing tools used in automotive industry in Malaysia. So the first one is lean system used in automotive industry in Malaysia. The lean manufacturing has a constantly evolved from the initial applications in Japan to other global companies and production channels. The lean systems comprise the management strategies and philosophy of the manufacturing process based on a long-term timeline to revolutionize. So, in Malaysia, the lean system have contributed in the handling of extensive inventories and production data, thus minimizing wastage and obsolescence. And the second one is factor influencing selection of lean manufacturing tools in automotive industry Malaysia. To minimize undue waste and irritations, it is desirable for an organization to choose the right lean tool. Some of the factors that influence lean are the ability to gain support from the top management, the ability of the workplace to perform lean tool and techniques. The third one is the tool and techniques of choice, the level of difficulty to carry out. And the last one is the implementation of lean tools and techniques. Follow the direction of the organization, strategic planning or goals. For the third discussion, which is effectiveness of lean manufacturing tool used in automotive industry in Malaysia. There are various investigations in Malaysia have been linked to the implementation and development of the lean manufacturing tool and technique, particular in the automotive industry, electrical and electronic, and food and beverage sectors in order to obtain a better performance improvement. This according to a recent survey, there are 10 lean manufacturing tools which is identified, such as 5S, housekeeping, cellular manufacturing, Kaizen, continuous improvement, Yoka, mistake proofing, standardized work, value stream mapping, Jidoka, Kanban, plan do check art, and total productive maintenance. So based on table 1, awareness level of lean tools and technique. The mean score of the 5S is 3.75, which is more than the standardized and Kaizen in awareness level of lean tool. They understand the concept of the 5S tool and technique to help to reduce the waste successfully. Many understand that the concept of the 5S tool and technique to help to reduce the waste successfully. So based on the table 2, which is effectiveness level of lean tools and technique, the effectiveness level of lean tool, also the 5S, become the highest. The 5S lean manufacturing tool is the most effective and trained by the major automotive industry. Last one, implementation of lean manufacturing tool in automotive industry measure for a better future. JIT emphasizes the proliferation of e-commerce. கொஞ்ச நேரம் இங்க வாடி. So the last one is implementation of lean manufacturing tools in automotive industry in Malaysia for a better future. JIT emphasize the proliferation of e-commerce and increasingly long and complex logistics system. JIT is one of the promising lean tool. The second one, Jidoka, is also one of the most famous lean tool. Automation with a human touch can be brought in this concept. Jidoka minimizes the need for numerous high-quality controllers and delegates some of this responsibility to the operator themselves. Leveling is sometimes called lean programming, which is lightweight tool, seeks to eliminate production fluctuation caused by changing customer demand. This allows for a faster and shorter inventories and different products to be manufactured at the same time. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shukar bin Muhammad Yusof. My metric number is CN200182, and I will talk about conclusion. So, in this conclusion, we can conclude that to successfully implement this system, business organization and vehicle manufacturing companies in developing economies like Malaysia must consistently collaborate with companies from developed vehicle manufacturers like Japan. This will not only help in minimizing wastage, but will also help in development of the people's skill set and the overall quality of the manufactured automotive equipment and other related products. This observation also implies the lean implement is a knowledge-intensive phenomenon, implying that top management in Malaysian manufacturing companies must have a clear vision and strategic initiative, a high level of education, and a willingness to support productivity improvement. However, Malaysian manufacturers should be aware that not all waste can be addressed unless firms fully implement lean to address all types of variables concurrently. Malaysian manufacturers must understand that lean implementation is a continuous process, and that long-term investment in lean activities should not be viewed as a waste of resources, nor should they expect immediate return. So, hopefully, the next study will be able to improve on the findings and provide new data toward the development of a feasible and systematic lean manufacturing. So that's all from us. Thank you.